In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Facebook videos lagging on Android. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. First thing you want to do is open up your Facebook application. Then, once you're here, what you're going to do is press the three lines on the top left, and then go over to Settings and Privacy, which is towards the bottom. Then go ahead and click Settings again. Once you're here, what you want to do is select Media, which is going to be right here. And then under video quality, what you want to do is select optimized instead of data saver. And that should definitely help. Now, the next thing you can go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right of your screen, go over and click your settings wheel icon. And then over here, go ahead and scroll down all the way to the bottom. You're going to see apps as one of the options. From here, go ahead to F and just go ahead and find Facebook. Once you found it, click on it and then scroll down and you're going to see storage as one of the options. Go ahead and clear the cache because it could just be a little bug. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.